are you having a terrible cough? And these days, if anybody coughs, even because they swallowed the spit wrongly, or like me, drank up the water fast, or due to some allergies, everybody around goes in a state of panic. Oh my god, she has a cough. What could it be? Relax. Just relax. Cough can be because somebody swallowed the spit wrongly, or ate too fast, or drank too fast, or it could be an allergic cough. Not every cough is an infective cough. And in infections also, there are other viruses and bacteria. Not every cough is a corona cough. So relax. Yes, follow your social distancing measures. Of course, take the necessary precautions. Stay home if you have a cough. But don't panic. Do things that will help you. Do things that will help relieve this cough. And before going into a panic drive, think, what could it be? So, what's the simplest thing that you can do to help your cough? Drink a big glass of warm water slowly. You can have a nice herbal tea. And I have given you recipes for different kinds of herbal teas to alleviate different kinds of simple illnesses. So do go to the link in the bio and download those recipes. Because when you have a tea, you drink it slowly, you savor it. When you drink water, you guzzle it down. And that sometimes creates a cough. How does warm water help? Well, when warm water goes down through your food pipe or your esophagus, just behind it is your trachea or your windpipe. The heat transference goes to the windpipe and all the bronchi and bronchiole and increases their circumference just a bit. All those bacteria, viruses, allergens which are locked up in the mucus and are congesting your lungs or your throat or your upper pharynx just come out easily because now the air passages have broadened a little bit. Cough is nature's natural way of getting rid of all those locked up bacteria, viruses, allergens inside the mucus. So when you get it out, you feel better, right? What's the second thing that you can do? Well, you can do a simple percussion massage. What is percussion? We play the drums, right? This is like playing the drums on your chest. I have given you step by step how to do this percussion massage in my new website. I'll be giving you the link here. Do go and check it out because it comes very, very handy when your child has a congested chest, when you have a congested chest, when any of your loved ones have a congested chest. It helps the body release out the congestion and relieve the cough or the wheezing or the choking feeling that you may get. Yes, as I said once again, do all the other health measures, but do other things which are just simple and help relieve all the congestion in your chest, in your throat, in your upper pharynx or laryngopharyngeal area. Yes, dear friends, do check it out because in my new website, we want to teach so that you can treat yourself. We want to give your health in your hands. We want to increase your health quotient. We want you to be your own medico. Thank you and have a lovely, healthy, happy day.